Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change screen refresh rate in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to change your screen refresh rate, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for display option, tab on it. And here you will get motion smoothness, just like that. And you will get two different options. The first one is standard, which is default, as here's the 16 Hz screen refresh rate. But if you want to select 19 Hz screen refresh rate, just select that high option and then select apply. As for example, as I have selected standard now, and then select high, then tap on this apply option. Once you have that, your screen refresh rate will be successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change screen refresh rate in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.